A quick look at the shed and the guinea pig Taj Mahal over there. Yeah, shed's been finished for a while. Had a few pictures on Instagram that seems to be suiting me a bit better. Anyway, today I've been doing a bit of fiberglass dodging, repairing to the quarter panel, just fiberglassing it up, fiberglass matting, etc. It's dodging it, so I won't show you the details of that, although I haven't had many videos up for a while anyway. As I said, Instagram. I've been stripping, so just seeing how some of the sanding goes, but we got a bit of rust there, and sanding's not too bad. Stripper. Well, the stripping, the Holy stripper I had used before had turned into a rather thick gel. It got first layer of blue off, was white primer under that, and then this red primer it didn't get off, but that sanded off fairly easily. A bunch of bumps and whatnot in the roof, but yeah. Anyway, yeah, so this is my new shed. Tools are a mess everywhere. Lots of things have been happening, unfortunate things. But anyway, the car's back up on jack stands. It is mostly cleaned out of all and sundry. And I'll keep stripping, fiberglassing, and just getting it ready. I don't want to do a perfect job because it's not going to be a perfect car. Let me get under this cord. I don't have power out to the shed. I'm trying to do some video, but having troubles with that camera. It's pretty old. We got it in Japan ages ago. I'll keep the video at this level so you don't see the dodgy fiberglass work. There's just not enough good steel there for welding. I did try my welding practice, many bits of steel, you know, I was able to weld together fairly, I don't know, could get metal to connect to other metal. Anyway, that's all taking too long, so fiberglass it is. Hopefully that'll work out a bit quicker. So I'll fiberglass some things and strip other things and keep it going. Hopefully have a white car. Here's the shed. Boom, boom, boom. It's got some more pieces I could put up just to make it prettier, but that's not a priority now. So anyway, hopefully I can get some more videos up. It's winter here in Queensland, but Queensland, so mosquitoes are coming out still, and yeah, it might get down to 6 or 7 degrees tonight, Celsius. Not too cold. Anyway, talk to you soon. That's where I'm at. Bye now.